wife said her tire was low, and I've got this AVAPOW thing I want to try out. So let's first see what she's got here. I don't know if it's really low or not. Yeah, it doesn't look low, but she said that there's an indicator light on her dash. So let's see what we got here. Never used this before. I'm gonna get a tripod set up and we'll kind of go through this thing. We'll be back in a second. All right, so this was sent to me by a company called AVAPOW. It's actually air compressor and jump starter all in one. I guess that's the charger. I don't know how this works. Power. Oh, okay. PSI car. Okay, you can set it for what you want. Oh, hey. Well, we don't need that to stay light. Well, let's see what else is in here. Another charger. Here we go. For the tires. That screws into there. There. Power, 83%. How do you start it? Easy enough. Okay, let's go over here. Okay. Checked in the door and the car says we need 35 PSI, so we'll see what this is at. Turn this on. So it's reading it here. It says we're at 26. I need to go to 35 PSI. Supposed to shut off. We shall see. Oh, you look at there. 35 PSI, automatic shut off. Can't beat that. Now I hope she doesn't call me in the morning and say her battery's dead, because I do not want to test out that feature. But that was pretty simple. I guess it has a lithium battery. Still 81%, I think we started at. So you can do cars, let's see here, motorcycle, bicycle, sports. I think you can actually just do your own presets. Let's see what it goes up to. Maybe you have to go custom. Click it every time. Oh no, there we go. I'm not sure how high it goes. We shall find out. I don't know any car that's going to have that much PSI, but that's good to know. Well, I'm pretty impressed. Didn't have to take it to the gas station, so that's a win. Way to go, AVAPOW, you saved the day. looking. Let's play around with the jump starter. What do the lights mean? Blue is ready. Alright, here's a button. Well, read the directions before you try to jump start anything. I don't want to start a fire, but there you go. Pretty cool.